Let's do a repo video. Screw it. Let's see where we're going. I figure we're going to trade sideways, and it looks like we are. What's going on, everyone? Let's take a look at the repo operations, the recent ones that we've had. So today we're at 1.391 trillion. Counterparties are at 78. Yesterday we were at 1417. Day before that we were at 1448. Day before that 1377, 1354. So we've been hanging around that 1300 to mid 14 or 1.4 trillion, 1.3 to 1.4 trillion the last, I don't know, few weeks. Not a lot going on. That's why I haven't really been reporting on this. If anything substantial changes, like the demand just goes crazy to the upside or it dies off crazy to the low side, I will report on it. But again, just not much to talk about if it's going to just be hovering in a range of 1.3 trillion to 1.4 trillion. Not much to talk about there. As far as counterparties, we're basically staying the same as well. Looks like we're ranging from 73 all the way up to 78. Seems to be the range. So yeah, we're getting near the end of the year, man. Today was double short interest day. Not much happened. It is what it is. They do have a window of time, so who knows? But again, that's what I have for you as far as the repo. I have a couple more things coming, and I will get that out as soon as possible.